Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, where we simplify crypto and help you build your financial future. Are you wondering which cryptocurrencies have the potential to skyrocket in value over the next few years? Today, we're diving into the top 5 long-term cryptos to buy and hold in 2025. This is not just another list. We've done the research, analyzed market trends, and identified the projects that have real potential for long-term growth. Whether you're an experienced investor or a beginner, these cryptos are worth your attention. Stay tuned because I'll also share tools you can use to research and manage your portfolio effectively. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Why long-term holding matters in crypto. Before we get into the top 5, let's talk about why long-term holding or hodling is such a powerful strategy in crypto. 1. Leverage the power of compounding. Unlike day trading, holding allows your investments to grow over time as the market matures. 2. Avoid emotional trading. Long-term holding reduces the temptation to sell during short-term dips and helps you ride out market volatility. 3. Focus on fundamentals. Long-term investors focus on projects with real utility and adoption potential, not hype or quick profits. Part 2. The top 5 long-term cryptos for 2025. Let's get into it. These are the top 5 cryptos to consider for your long-term portfolio in 2025. 1. Bitcoin. Why it's a must-have. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, often referred to as digital gold. It's the most decentralized, secure, and widely adopted cryptocurrency. Long-term outlook. As institutional adoption grows and Bitcoin's supply becomes scarcer, it remains a cornerstone of any crypto portfolio. 2. Ethereum. Why it's a must-have. Ethereum powers smart contracts and decentralized apps. With the move to Ethereum 2.0 and its shift to proof of stake, it's more energy efficient and scalable than ever. Long-term outlook. The booming DeFi and NFT sectors rely on Ethereum, making it a critical player in the crypto ecosystem. 3. Polygon. Why it's a must-have. Polygon is a layer 2 solution that scales Ethereum, making transactions faster and cheaper. It's vital for the growth of dApps and Web3 projects. Long-term outlook. As Ethereum adoption grows, Polygon stands to benefit as it supports Ethereum's scalability needs. 4. Chainlink. Why it's a must-have. Chainlink is the leading decentralized Oracle network, enabling smart contracts to interact with real-world data. Long-term outlook. As smart contract adoption grows, Chainlink's role in providing reliable data feeds will be indispensable. 5. Solana. Why it's a must-have. Solana is one of the fastest blockchains with incredibly low transaction fees. It's ideal for projects requiring high-speed transactions, like DeFi and gaming. Long-term outlook. Its developer-friendly ecosystem and scalability make it a strong contender for future growth. Part 3. Tools to research and manage your portfolio. To succeed as a long-term investor, you need the right tools. Here are some must-haves. 1. Coinstats. Track your portfolio across multiple wallets and exchanges in one place. 2. TradingView. Use advanced charts to analyze market trends and set alerts for key price levels. 3. Glassnode. Dive into on-chain metrics to understand market behavior and predict trends. 4. BlockFi. Earn interest on your long-term crypto holdings while you wait for prices to rise. 5. Ledger or Apple Wallet. Use a hardware wallet to securely store your long-term investments. Part 4. 5 tips for long-term crypto investing. 1. Research fundamentals. Look for projects solving real-world problems with active developer communities. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across sectors like DeFi, NFTs, and layer 2 solutions. 3. Stay informed. Use tools like Glassnode to track on-chain metrics and ensure your investments are on the right track. 4. Secure your assets. Always store your long-term holdings in a hardware wallet like Apple or Ledger. 5. Stay patient. Crypto markets are volatile. Trust in your research and hold for the long haul. Long-term investing in crypto is one of the most exciting ways to build wealth, but it requires patience, research, and the right tools. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Hit the like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.